Do you know there are different ages for sterilization of dogs and cats depending on their breed? Today I am going to discuss about very important topic, proper age of sterilization of our pet dogs and cats. First of all, I will take the cats as the growth period of the cat will be over by the age of 6 months and they will become sexually mature by the age of 6 months. So to prevent unwanted pregnancies and unwanted roaming and aggressive behavior towards the other cats, ideal age for sterilization of cat is about 6 months. And also as a pet parent, you all have a responsibility to take the cat to the vet for pre-surgery checkup, that is to identify whether there is any underlying problem in the cat before undergoing general anesthesia for this surgery. And also you will have to make sure all the cats are well vaccinated prior to surgery. Next, I am going to discuss about the proper age for sterilization of the dogs. The sterilization age depends on the type of breed. First of all, I will take the small breeds like Shih Tzus, Chihuahuas and small breeds that you are having. They usually sexually mature by the age of 6 months. So ideal age of sterilization of the male or female dog of small breed is 6 months. When it comes to large breeds like Labrador Retrievers and then German Shepherds and other Great Danes and all the other large breeds, their growth period will continue up to 15 to 18 months. These sex hormones are required for their bone growth. So therefore, the sterilization of large breeds of dogs have to be postponed up to 15 or 18th month of age. This is coming from the latest research data. Then I will discuss about what time you should take your female dog who has already littered. Ideal time is after weaning of puppies, that is about 8 weeks of age of the puppies. Thereafter, you can sterilize the mother dog at any time. So then comes to again the large breeds of dogs who are supposed to undergo the sterilization surgery by the age of 15 to 18 months. By then, these dogs have come to heat and they have passed about 1 or 2 heat cycles. Then when it comes to this stage, you will have to time the sterilization according to the heat cycle. The reason is after the ovulation, as soon as the bleeding is over, she will go into another phase of her reproductive cycle. That is, her body is already recognizing her as pregnant and there are a large number of hormones are secreted from her ovaries as well as from her brain. These hormones are required for maintenance of her pregnancy. So this period will last for about 3 to 4 months. The ovarian function is also required to suppress the hormones coming from the brain for her to come into whelping. So the same thing is happening even the non-pregnant, which immediately afterwards this heat. If you sterilize this dog immediately afterwards, there is no inhibition to the hormones coming from the brain, so she will go into permanent pseudo pregnancy. To avoid that, the ideal time for sterilization of a female dog who has come to cycling is 4 months after the last bleeding. So the age of sexual maturity is the important thing to decide on the sterilization time.